So I must say, putting this chair together was actually really simple. It didn't take that long, and it was really easy. There's really not many bolts for this. So you guys can adjust the height, as you can see here. To lift the height up, just simply stand up a little bit and pull in the lever. And if we go over here, you guys can see, we can adjust, well, as you guys can see, how far back. I mean, you can lean really far back, guys. So let's keep it right there. Just to show you guys. So you can have it really far back, and the leg rest pops out like this. You rotate it, and you can adjust that however you want as well. So you can actually take a nap on here if you guys wanted to. I like this a lot. It's definitely an upgrade from our last gaming chair. Slide that back when we want. All right, where's this lever? Now we can adjust. Yeah, that's about good. Padded armrests. You have this nice little padded pillow. Easily can rotate it around. Freely moves. Overall, it's a nice gaming chair. And it's stylish too. Again, guys, it's really easy to install. In fact, let me show you here. So you have a bolt right here, a bolt here, same on the other side. You lift this up and you have 4 bolts right here and 3 bolts right there, and that's it. I love this because it's a pocket, and I love that they hide the bolts so it doesn't look so bad. Overall, it's just really nice, guys. I think you guys are going to be happy with it. I mean, my biggest takeaway is it was easy to install. And to me, installing things, I'm not really wild over.